Hi, Tamika Mosley, and today I am going to make the toothpaste out of the Bentonite Clay and show you guys how we use it and how we make it. Now, I'm not going to make the toothpaste with the water and, where it's pasty because I know that if my kids see that, they're not going to want to brush their teeth and I don't have time to play with them. So I'm just going to do straight powder. Honestly, you can just get straight Bentonite Clay and just brush your teeth with that. But I decided to use the clay. This is the clay I use. I know there are several different brands, but as long as it says 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, I'm sure you're good. Now today I went to an herbal store in Seattle and I found a store that actually sells this in bulk for cheap. So now when I run out, I have a place to go and get it. This bentonite clay is loaded with minerals. You guys, this is packed with silica, potassium, zinc, magnesium. Amazing benefits. Every time we brush our teeth with this stuff, it is remineralizing our teeth process. It's improving the enamel. It's reversing gum disease. It's strengthening the gums, the teeth. I mean, this does wonders. And I promise you when I go back in 3 months, I am going to do a video about my progress. And I'm so excited to share this with the world. Okay, so let's get started in how we make the toothpaste. All right, super simple. I am going to take the bentonite clay. I am going to add 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. I'm going to add in the ginger. All right. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to put the top back on and shake it up really good. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to take my toothbrush. I'm going to wet it, and we're going to do it just like we used to do when we brush with baking soda, if you guys have ever brushed with baking soda. So I'm just going to take it and put my toothbrush like that and just get some on it and just start brushing. All right, you guys, and that's it. My teeth feel super smooth. I never felt my teeth feel this smooth after brushing with plain toothpaste, but it's super smooth. It feels like I have nothing on my teeth. In the past, I could, move my tongue over my teeth and it just feels like there's stuff there, even if I brush 3 times a day. I don't know, I just never felt my teeth this squeaky clean, but it feels great. Now it's gonna feel a little like cloudy or muddy or gritty, but just keep brushing all over. Once you're done, what I do is I just rinse my mouth out with water and get it all out. But then once you do that, your teeth will be perfectly smooth. Feels amazing. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.